When you're looking for something random to do, check out this channel. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's random video, I'm just going to be showing you the progress of my watermelon. So I haven't shown many updates on these. I think you've only seen them a few times in other videos. But as you can see, we've got these long vines coming out. They're starting to flower. So I'm hoping in a couple more weeks we might actually get some actual watermelons. I just spread these ones out in my yard because I don't think I'll have enough room for them to actually be put on something so they can stand up. So I just spread these ones out in my yard. I actually planted 2 seeds out here. So I've got a couple different vines that have started growing. And I try to give these as much water as I can to make sure they stay nice and healthy. I've already got these 2 vines here, and I'm hoping eventually we will see some watermelons coming off of these. So we're just going to continue to wait and see what happens. Oh my god, that is a huge spider. That spider was enormous. It was huge. I wonder if you guys can see it. Is it back there? Oh, he hid. He hid. The thing was humongous. The thing was ginormous. Wow. But anyways, thanks for watching my video and tune in to the next one. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. If you would like to see me do something special, write it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.